might have realized that this is a special awards assembly. Maybe you didn't know it was a special awards assembly, but that is exactly what it is, which is why we've got Erin Sterkenburg's mum and dad here, and Catherine Young's mum, dad, and gran with us. And we're very delighted to have you with us on this incredibly important occasion. And I'm going to hand over to Mr. Angela Safety.
Today we have two special awards to confer. These young women have achieved at the highest level over an extended period of time. Their passion for and dedication to numerous sporting codes have brought them praise and recognition at each step of the way. We feel it most appropriate to celebrate these young women by making the following awards at this time. Our first recipient is awarded for her achievements in sport. In 2019, whilst in grade 8, our recipient was a member of the under 14A indoor and outdoor hockey teams, the rock climbing team, the under 14A basketball team, and the under 14A softball team. She won the Most Promising Junior Sportswoman of the Year at the annual Sports Awards prize giving. Somehow, she also achieved the Merit Certificate for Academics and Junior Colours for softball. In 2020, she yet again received a Merit Certificate for Academics, and unfortunately, as everyone is aware, this was the dreaded year that the COVID pandemic struck, and all sport across the country was shut down. She then had a very promising grade 10 year, where she managed to pick up her involvement actively in sport again. She was selected for the KZN ladies softball team and received full colours for softball. Her outstanding performance in the SAMO round 2, that's the South African Maths Olympiad, awarded her with half colours for meritorious achievement in the 4th term. She received her first team scroll as well as full colours for rock climbing for representing KwaZulu-Natal at Nationals, where she was cited gaining a red point ascent of grade 24 outdoor climb, which is exceptional. She also received her half colours for academics. Whilst in grade 11, she was awarded the colours cum laude for her achievement in sport. Now in grade 12, she was selected for the KZN Ultimate Frisbee team and earned herself full colours in term 1. At the end of the 2nd term, she was selected to represent South Africa at the under 24 level Ultimate Frisbee team that played in the World Championships held in Nottingham, United Kingdom. In addition to her achievements in sport, this young woman remains dedicated to both academics and leadership. She is an active member of the Academic Mentor Portfolio, a member of the Learner Management Team, house captain of Courtney Latimer, and captain of indoor and outdoor hockey. It is with great pleasure and delight that we award the Honours Blazer to Taya Sterkenburg. You may stand to applaud her achievements. Thank you very much. Thank you. You may be seated. Congratulations, Taya. We are so proud of you. Our second recipient is awarded for her achievement in sport. She started at Westfield Girls High School and represented both the under 14A indoor team and was indoor hockey team and was selected for the South Africa All-Star softball team. She received her junior colours in softball. The SA All-Stars when in grade 8. That is a phenomenal achievement. In grade 9, she represented Westfield Girls High School in the under 16 water polo team, under 16A softball team. She was selected to represent KZN under 15A softball team and received a re-award of junior colours for softball. In grade 10, she truly excelled, being a member of the Westfield Girls indoor hockey, outdoor hockey, softball and water polo first teams. She represented KZN under 17 softball team at the age of 15 and the KZN under 16 cricket team, the KZN women's softball B team, and received her full colours for both softball and cricket. In grade 11 this year, she has been selected for the Westfield Girls indoor hockey, outdoor hockey, softball and water polo first teams and is the vice captain for all the above sporting codes. She represented KZN women's softball team that competed in the Gordon Monk tournament and was then selected for the under 17 women's Great Britain softball team and has just returned from competing in the Canada Cup as a member of this team. It is with great pleasure that we award the Honours Blazer to Catherine Young. You may stand to applaud her achievements. What did you say, Phil? Thank you, you may be seated.